Here's a problem I was having on the 80 metre band. I was hearing broadcast stations. They would come in and come out. They were even audible during the day, which means they've got to be local. Maybe it was a problem with the transceiver. Here you're hearing them on the microbit X. I would hear them at various spots around the band. I tried another transceiver, and again you could hear them. They pretty much made 80 metres unusable. I checked the antenna's feed line and connection to the coax cable. That seemed to be okay. The breakthrough came when I shook the mast, which I could as it was a flexible extendable pole. The interference came on and off again. I found the problem at the antenna feed point. There were bad connections in not one, but 3 places. They were caused by repeated flexing of the feed line in the wind. As well as the bad connections, there were also rust stains. The rust, along with moisture, would have caused diode junctions. They make good mixers. In this case, harmonics from AM broadcast stations would have mixed to produce products that could be heard on the 80 metre and other amateur bands. And flexing in the wind would have caused intermittent reception and signal strengths of the unwanted signals. When you are repairing antennas, check the wire for extreme bends or kinks. There may be breakages under the insulation. It's better to cut those off and use new wire. Now, with the new antenna up, the interference has gone. The moral is that interference cannot necessarily be caused by other people's transmissions or even your equipment. The antenna can sometimes be at fault, and it's a good idea to check its connections.
100% copy, and great to hear you on 1.5 watts. That's absolutely amazing. You've got VK3 NXT here, Tom, and with me is VK3 LCB Calvin. You're coming in at about a signal strength 7 here to me in Wangaratta there, Peter. VK3YE from VK3 NXT.